I know I invited you over to study, but I think we both know the test was yesterday. Isn't the test tomorrow? Pah! This is Tyler. Now that's the face of a smooth player. Oh, well, not that face. Oh yeah, there's the sugar. Whoa! What is going on in here? I have the family room 3 to 7 prior to the sign-up sheet. So get Avery Jennings. Kind of a stickler to the rules. She has a rule about not interrupting herself. So let's keep it rolling. Out, or I'm telling everyone you're wearing a wig. I'm not wearing a wig. Ow! I told you, it's not a wig. I know, but that hurt, right? Get out of here. This is my house. You and your mom have only been living here for like a year. 11 months, 10 days, 7 hours, 5 minutes, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Ooh, numbers. Like I tell my algebra teacher, A plus B equals why should I care? Do you think that will be on the test tomorrow? Okay, you can have the living room now, and I'll just take it on Tuesday. Tuesday? No way. The cheerleaders are coming over. Do you know how hard it was to convince them I'm directing a musical? Do that again. I heard the ocean. Was it really that hard to convince them? What's so big that you need the living room on Tuesday? My speech and debate girls are coming over. It'll be the first time I'll have friends over since the move. Sounds like a storm. Well, I'm not canceling the cheerleaders. Well, I'm not canceling my girls. What am I supposed to... Oh, the kids are fighting. That's it. I'm gonna stop this. Are you fond of that finger? Honey, have you forgotten that I am a child psychologist? Plus, best-selling author. Daddy! This is Chloe. They say psychologist kids are messed up, but she's doing okay. There's a monster chasing me! I said okay, not great. Chloe, there's something really important I need to tell you. Now she's not thinking about the monster. As for the other two, I have something equally effective. Kids, I have a surprise for you. His name is Stan. He's a rescue from the shelter. That's me! I'm the dog! There's the sugar. Thank you. I've always wanted a dog. He's yours to keep, so you have to work together to take care of him or he goes back to the shelter. Bennett James, a little fool of himself, but okay. A dog? You know I'm a cat person. Ellen. This is Ellen. You know whose slippers I'll be chewing up first. It'll be a new experience for all of us. pizza for me, and now for some juice. Did you eat my sandwich? Oh, the cat did it. Ugh, bad dog. I will make you sleep outside, or better yet, I will... Mom? Were you talking to the dog? No. Of course not. That would be ridiculous. I was just scolding him. Don't listen to her. You're a good boy. Do you want some kibble now? You bet I do. Okay, Stan. You know, Tyler should realize that I need to make friends after a move and let me have the living room. But no, he'd rather have his cheerleaders over. Man, I wish I could just ask for the food, but me talking doesn't always go so well. I'm not crazy! The dog really talks! I feel like there was something I was supposed to do. Talk, buddy! No! Somehow I always end up back at the shelter. But I want this time to be different. I want a real home. Yes! I love the bacon flavor spray! Hey Avery, I have the perfect solution for tonight. I can have the cheerleaders in the living room, and you can have your girls in your room. Nice try. Obviously you're just trying to talk me out of the living room. Well, it's not gonna work. The living room for tonight is gonna be occupied by my Speech&Debate girls and this face. Right here. Give me the steak and bowl! I'm drawing a pole over here! Did he just talk? Think fast and cover quickly. No? I mean, woof? He did it again! No, I didn't. I said woof.